Here's a quick hack a lot of people miss. Clay actually unlocks tons of enrichment through LLMs, and most teams aren't even scratching the surface. Think about it. Companies spend thousands on enrichment tools, paying dollars per record, when the same insights can be pulled directly through Clay with LLM prompts for pennies on the dollar. It's not just cheaper, it's smarter. Because with Clay, you're not stuck with rigid, predefined fields. You can ask for exactly what you want and shape the enrichment to fit your workflow. That flexibility changes the game. Here's the flow. Using the Metaprompter, Claygent, and JSON output, you can automate enrichment like this. Find social media pages, prompt it to grab Crunchbase, X, or company links. LinkedIn enrichment, ask AI for employee counts or headcount trends. Market data, pull G2 reviews, employee growth month over month, customer segmentation, revenue, and more. All of that from a few simple prompts. Ask and you shall receive. And because the output is structured in JSON, you're not left with messy text. You get clean, usable data ready to plug into whatever system you want. Let me show you. I start by adding a metaprompter block, type in a natural language request, and Claygent does the heavy lifting. It outputs structured JSON that drops right into a table with social links, employee count, growth rates, even customer insights. From there, I can route the data into Slack, send it to a CRM, or trigger instantly AI campaigns instantly. What would normally take hours of manual research or cost dollars per lead is now handled in seconds for a fraction of a cent. And that's the real power here. You're not locked into someone else's enrichment package. You can spin up custom enrichment on demand designed around your ICP, your workflow, your needs. This is the kind of creative edge most people overlook. But once you start using it, you'll never look at enrichment the same way again. So if you're already using Clay, don't just think of it as a database tool. Think of it as an AI-powered enrichment engine. Ask clearly, get structured answers, and unlock insights for pennies on the dollar.